feel like all this mic's going to catch is me puffing. I feel like this microphone, it's going to catch is me puffing. Like, geez, that girl's unfit. How you going over there, Rach? Miss you. I miss you.
Right, JJ's out. Do you want these ones?
This is the most we've been separated for a while.
A hammer on here.
Did that one go? It looks like it's really trying to, just not. Like, it generally when you seam it back in, it means you seam it's like set to swing, right? Oh. I was not even looking. You were still talking.
Yeah, I can throw and talk at the same time.
Impressive. I mean, everyone's here for the Alyssa Healy matchup, so everyone's here for it. Well, slower than you've ever bowled before. Oh, that is such a cop out.
Oh, there it is.
Yep. How you getting them? Try and give him some content, Rach. Get through! Sorry. I don't know why I'm the one mic'd up. Someone put it on Meg. I'd love to hear the sounds of Meg landing in the nets. Ah! Ah! Just stretching my groins. Yes! Switched on then, Nick. No, just that for that ball.
Do it.
I think that hit the ramp at the end of the wicket. Still got another rotation, don't you, team? I'm knackered. Run him. Boy, I'm taking that. Challenge that. Thanks, guys. I'm pooped. RPE 11. Nick got my heart rate going. Bowling him off the ramp.